Welcome, I'm your professor Marcus Stone, and in this boring presentation I want to show you how AdSense works, how much money you can make on YouTube, what are the ways that you can maximize your YouTube potential. So let's just go. First, we got the points here. Explanation, before we start, countries, categories and types of ads. So let's go further. Explanations. How AdSense actually works and how advertisement works on YouTube. Advertisers are targeting viewers and channels. Let's say that you like sales and you are a salesperson and someone created a sales software which can you use. And what he's going to do, he's going to target you based on your interest in sales, and the ad will show on video. And I got paid 55% and YouTube takes 45%. So, and what is the CPM? How much money you make per 1,000 views? We will get to that. It's really easy. I analyzed over 20,000 channels in approximately 4 years. I saw channels fall, I saw channel going up and making a lot of money, and plenty of them, they showed me their analytics, so I got really good insight. I will show you my analytics, not on this channel, but on a different channel, so we can see how it actually works. Before we start, we need to understand a few things. How much you can maximize your payment from YouTube and how the advertisement works on YouTube. First, it starts with a category. If you are making Fortnite content for kids, you are not going to make a lot of money. But if you're going to make content about finances or insurance in the US, oh mamma mia, you are going to make a bank. And why is that? Because the companies which are creating insurance products are willing to pay much more money to acquire a customer, so they are willing to pay your channel more because they know that you attract those viewers. The second point is geography, and this is really simple. If your customers, if your viewers are coming from India, you are not going to make a lot of money. But if your viewers are coming from the US, here reigns the money, boy. Like, it's so damn amazing. The third thing is, do they have ad block on? For example, makeup channels, where are the girls target audience, the woman? They don't have ad block on. And plenty of men they have ad block on for some reason, but women don't have, so makeup channels are also making a bank thanks to that. Another thing is your content advertising friendly? If you're not swearing in the videos, if you're not using like really the bad symbols and talking about World War II, you should be fine. Type of ads, this depends of if it's like 6 seconds mid-roll ad, the bomber ad, etc. We will get to that. And November, December and January are the most strong months for getting most revenue from YouTube. So this is really important. In these months, it's like, I'm so excited when November and December comes. 40% more revenue. Now the countries. This is my analytics from one channel. As you can see, with the United States, with 7 CPM on my channel. Now, then Canada, 5, Australia, 6, Germany, 4, United Kingdom, 4, and as you can see the others. United States with Canada are the biggest, and Australia. Also New Zealand is pretty good. Germany is cool. United Kingdom is great, but countries like India, Arabia, Eastern Europe, I don't know. Even also Norway is good. Norway and Sweden and Netherlands are fine. Countries like Spain, Portugal, Italia, they are not that good from CPM standpoint. So I wouldn't recommend that to make videos in that language. If you're gonna focus on the United States, that's amazing, and you are going to make a lot of money. The second point is category. Here I want to talk about, I will give you an example. Let's say that you are making 1 million views, that you are getting 1 million views, and all of it is from the US. So how much money you can actually make? If you're making entertainment videos, memes, Fortnite, top fails, top 10 things, just channels targeting on kids like from, I don't know, 7 to 18 years old, you are going to make 0.5 or $1 per 1,000 views. So if you're making 1 million views, that's like $500, $600, which is also great. Like, that's not bad. But if you're gonna make content, makeup, car channels, gaming channels, cooking, music, vlogs, sport channels, they go from $2, $4 to $5 per 1,000 view. But I don't talk here about the November and December. I talk about all the other months. They go maximum $5, $6 CPM. And so let's say if you make 1 million views, you will get $3,000, $4,000, which is cool. And now the most revenue you will get from marketing, finances, educational videos, tutorials, sales, Shopify tutorials, web development, investing, dropshipping videos, and just if you want to learn, if you want to teach someone how to market, how to make dropshipping site, how to make Shopify, etc., you will go from $6 to $30 CPM. I saw a guy who made, for 10 million views, he made $100,000. Like, oh mamma mia, that's so amazing. Now let's talk about the types of ads. Ad types, as you can see, skippable video ads auction. Those are like, that's my revenue I got most from. 30-second video, and after 30-second ad, and after 6 seconds you can cancel it. This is what skippable video ad means. Bumper ads means 6 seconds ad. You can see it in when you are gonna start a video, and you will have those two ads right after each other. That's bumper ads. And then we have a display ads, which is just normal the normal ad. Non-skippable video ads, I don't have it even opened. Like, I don't even use it, because there's like 30-second ad which you need to see whole, and if you don't see it whole, if you click away, the YouTuber doesn't get anything. So I recommend just turning on skippable video ads, and that's the most important, because we will get the most revenue it from. And this is kind of it. This is how the AdSense works. This is how CPM works. This is how the whole YouTube system works. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support me, subscribe, and yep, thank you very much, and goodbye.